Yeah.
It's been a long time since I've been in this kayak. Well, let me just put it in perspective. It's been since October. Hear the sound of the paddle? That's my favorite, one of my favorite things about kayaking. In my younger day, I would have been too scared to try something like that. Today, I'm not scared. I'm just have too many aches and pains already, so I'm not going to add that to them. That's awesome, isn't it? Am I doing this right? Those are a little bit better if you've got a kayak or whatever. You can feel cleaner, a little, well, it's steep, but you could, I guess, if you want the hassle, put your kayak in these areas. I smell bacon. Can you smell that? Oh, campfire bacon. That's nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Every place I go and everything I do related to water and camping is my happy place. My happy place is not the destination, it's a state of mind. This is Daisy State Park, Lake Greeson. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, let's keep going. The water's dirty over here. Well, water is dirty and clean all at the same time. Figure that one out. Okay. Hey, there's a river up here. Can you skip a rock?
What?
Can you skip one?
I'm not good at skipping rocks. There aren't very many rocks that are good for skipping.
Not around here, no flat ones, huh?
Here, I'll try. A2.
Not bad.
There you go.
My uncle asked me one time, can you skip a rock? And I said, yeah. And I accidentally hit him with it. He probably deserved it at one point. Not then, but... yeah.
Oh.
And see, those boats are closer... I mean, those campsites are closer to the better... It's a better view, but man, just not enough shade. I like their picnic table setups. It's like their own deck on the water. Ooh. But I wouldn't have had fun. No, I can't see it. It's blocked really well from the trees. But I can still, from my campsite, I can see the water. just enough to be happy. But see, that's why I have shade, huh? I can't complain, huh? Can't see my camper from here because I have good shade. But it is, it's right. Oops. I'm gonna go back this way. It's right. Probably right in. There it is. I can see the tip of it where my paddle is pointing. I see it. I see the word run away. I've always wanted to run away. Camping spots up here on this side. Well, the ones on this side of section A, their campsites are too close together, number one. Well, this is still number one. They're so close together that in one spot I saw 2 fire rings just a foot apart. I wonder what time it is. Yep.